Today we'll be talking about unmoderated user research studies. Unmoderated research is a remote research tool that helps product managers, designers, and researchers gain valuable user feedback. Unmoderated sessions are qualitative, since you're asking people their feelings towards a prototype, product, concept, or idea. This type of research should be performed often throughout the product lifecycle, from the product discovery phase to the post-launch feature enhancements. Here's what you need to know about preparing for an unmoderated study. As always, one of the first steps is to recruit and screen participants. Also, determine how many participants you need. We recommend 5 participants since it will be sufficient enough to uncover the majority of usability issues. Next, if you're conducting a usability session, gather the prototype or website URL for web or mobile testing. After that, select a user testing software to conduct the unmoderated sessions. At Playbook UX, we create software to conduct unmoderated sessions and use AI to automate the research synthesis. Now that you have selected your user testing software, you should create a list of tasks. Your first task should be to set the context of the study. Here you're going to set the scene for your participant. For example, you may say, imagine you're in the market for a new accounting software, and after searching, you arrive on the QuickBooks website. After you outline the context, it's time to create the tasks. In our QuickBooks example, a good task is to ask participants, how would you find the pricing page? Once prompted with this question, the participants will speak their thoughts out loud as they're searching and trying to find the pricing page. The participants are trained to comment on the aspects of the user experience that they like or find frustrating. It's important to require participants to speak their thoughts out loud so you know exactly what they're thinking. When the results of the unmoderated videos come back, you'll have to synthesize your research. Some ways to synthesize research are to identify patterns at the individual and the group level. If you're performing a usability study, see how many people interact with your prototype. Did participants feel that it was easy to interact with? Did they find your design visually appealing? Were they able to find what they were looking for? You can also tally up the successes and the failures for usability tasks. Analyzing the sessions is the most time-consuming part of performing unmoderated research. At Playbook UX, we provide you with AI-generated user insights so you can spend less time synthesizing. The advantages of unmoderated research are you can gain a lot of valuable feedback in less time with less effort exerted than moderated or ethnographic research studies. It's a great method for usability testing since participants will speak their thoughts out loud while walking through a prototype. It's less expensive than moderated sessions because they're shorter, typically lasting around 10 to 15 minutes. Since it's performed remotely online, you have a wider geographic reach than in-person research. Limitations of unmoderated research are, researchers don't have as much control over the session. You'll add your tasks at the beginning of the session, but won't be able to answer questions as they come up during the session. If the participant is confused, they can't ask follow-up questions as you can in other forms of qualitative research. If the participant is shy or doesn't speak their thoughts out loud, your insights will not be as valuable. Since you're observing participants while they're completing tasks, they may not perform certain actions for fear of embarrassment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Playbook UX channel for weekly whiteboard videos on product and UX.